What's up, lawn care family? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care, and I'm coming with a quick tip just so you'll know that what we're working with is Stihl. And when you're trying to change the head or the string on the string trimmer, notice that the Stihl, you have to put the string into these little inserts here, which makes it very difficult to do. So what I like about the Red Max, which we don't run anymore, is the fact that they have a little slit inside of theirs. So I'm gonna cut a little slit in it, and I'm gonna show you how it works out. So basically, what I do is just cut a slit. Just like that. And I bend it. Take a look at that. See how I cut that indentation in there? I'll show you why that's important. So of course, you get your string together. All right, so now I'm gonna spool it real quick so you'll know. So I'm gonna put it in the little indentation. This is how Red Max have their spool set up. So now you can feed it quicker. So when you're out and you run out of string, you don't have to put those little inserts in the side of that. I don't know why Stihl, I always believe that you should take advantage of someone else's best practice, and Stihl is definitely the better trimmer, but their spool sucks. So that's pretty much it. You lock it in. Lock it in. And as you can see, when I get off the truck, I have a couple of these already ready to go. And I just put them in here. And then when I'm getting ready to get off the truck, I grab me one, take it with me. I hope that's a great tip for you guys. So, lawn care family, cut on. I'm Vic, and I'm cutting out. Peace.